Part 1. New words.
Be sure. I'm sure it's in my bag. Sure, I can help you. Right. The sugar is on your right. I'm sure he's right. Wrong. The bill is wrong. We took the wrong road. Wonderful. That was a wonderful time. The weather was wonderful. Hard. A hard floor. A hard question. To answer. Answer the phone. Answer the question.
Part 2. Grammar 1. That. I think that this is a wonderful idea. I'm sure that I asked you about it. I know that I was wrong.
I think that this bed is too hard for me. I didn't sleep well. He knew that he was right, but he didn't say that. Do you remember that the shops are closed today? We can eat here. It isn't hard. I'm sure that you can answer these questions.
Part 3. Grammar 2. I think it's a great idea. I'm sure they are at home. I know I was wrong.
It stopped raining half an hour ago. I think we can play outside. I know it was a wonderful day for her. I remember we watched that film at the cinema. Are you sure our hotel is here?
Part 4. Grammar 3. Using not. I don't think it's a good idea.
I don't think it's cold outside. I don't think you are wrong. but we need to check. I don't think she's right about the time of the meeting. I don't think he answered the phone yesterday.
Part 5. Read and choose.
I am sure he can help you. I know they don't like skating. Look! There is a castle on your right. The weather was wonderful. We had a great time.
Part 6. Quiz.
They never answer the phone in this office. You didn't answer my question. You can see the old castle on your right. He was right about the new project. He was sure his answer was wrong. They think I'm wrong about that person. This bread is too hard, we can't eat it. It was a very hard trip.